In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Buick LaCrosse key fob. Most of you out there will probably have a version of this key fob. It's going to look very similar, but instead of having 3 buttons, it will have 4 or 5. Don't worry, if it looks like this, it's the same device. The process to open it up is going to be exactly the same. So just follow along with me, and I promise we will get a new battery in your device in no time. You don't need any special tools to do this. You will just need one CR2032 battery. You can get these online, so I will put a link down in the description for you to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested, and then we can just get started. First, just push on this button to flip out the internal key. And let me just show you quickly. Of course, I have a Chevy. Don't worry, you will have a Buick. But as long as it looks like this, it's all owned by GM. It's the same device. Just follow along. So let me just show you. I'm just going to hold here, in here where the key came from. We're just going to push up, and this back piece of plastic is going to come right off. So you are removing this piece, so you can hold here because that will not be moving, and you're going to push up on this little ridge from in here where the key was. Hold, push, doesn't take that much pressure, and you can just remove that right there. Now we have the battery. You can see there's this little piece of plastic covering one side of the battery. If you just apply some pressure on that side, push on the battery on that side, it will come right out. And now you can dispose of your old battery, get your new CR2032 battery, and make sure you're putting it positive side up. So you want to see that text, and you want to slide that in face up, just like that. And now we can just put the back piece of plastic on there and squeeze it back together. Put our key back in there, of course, and we are done. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come check us out here on YouTube, where we have videos for the devices for almost every maker model out there. And you can also get all this information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.